Hi, name is Matthew Mason. I work at Do. I am responsible for billing and collections, and I work in the commercial division in customer operations. So question being, how are we implementing customer experience management at Do? Primary focus is probably two different domains. It's probably from an organizational perspective and a process perspective. So we're seeing changes in our org structure, the way we're set up, the way we're operating to be more customer-centric. Also we have obviously our processes and optimization of our processes, making sure things are more efficient and customer-orientated. And then we're looking for tools and systems. So a big focus at the moment. We actually have RFIs going out at the moment for customer experience management related platforms. And we're looking for systems that will enable us to listen to the customer. So things that are going to interact with things like social media, things that will pick up, as an example, inbound calls, be able to translate those voice conversations into text, then do searches on those texts to highlight key attributes or areas where the phone call may be not a great phone call from a quality perspective, not a great phone call from detecting anger and tone in the voice and things like this. So we can jump on these things proactively, because when we've pushed things out to multiple different service partners in different countries all over the world, it's hard to manage and monitor that customer experience. So looking for tools like this that can tap into that, provide us with feedback, real time, is something that's paramount to us to be able to manage the service delivery and the customer experience. Biggest challenge at Do at the moment, I would say it's the alignment of the different cross-functional divisions. So we have different divisions that have different leaders. Those leaders have different styles. Those styles push down those verticals, and so there's behaviors that happen within those verticals. And what we're trying to do is try and create a consistent culture across the organization that is customer-centric. And I think that is our biggest challenge, is changing the culture within the organization to be customer-centric in everything that we do every day. I'm seeing in our region definitely a big... the next 12 months. In the next 12 months, the focus for us in the region, and probably more so in Do, is very much centric around managed services. So looking to push out a lot of the delivery capabilities, go with vendors that are best practice, that are very good at what they do, that can add value to our organization, and just partner with these organizations. We're also looking for models that are going to be outcome based. So not following traditional sort of license costs or traditional T&M. We're looking for outcome based solutions. So we've got a lot of stuff we're pushing out, managed services, not only from a contact center, back office, collections, but also technology and the running and the operation of the technologies. So what I found very interesting in this particular session we had today was this concept of sort of managed services in the form of billing. Software as a service, I think, was the term that was used. And while it's a very old concept, the technologies have changed, and we can do a lot more. We can be far more efficient in the way these configurations are done, far more flexible in the solutions. And I think the time is very mature now to start adopting these types of services. The challenge is going to be how we integrate it with our existing platforms.